Welcome back. This is Maria Kia, and today I'm going to show you how to fold the Lucky Charm flower made out of real money. And these are dollar bills. You can use $2, $5, or $100. It's up to you. It's your preference. And let's get started. All right, these are the items that you're going to need. First, these are dollar bills. I'm going to use the $2 for this new batch that I'm going to fold. And I will be using 6 bills. 6 will be, I will say, the max, because it's going to be harder to fold if you use more than 6. Some people can use up to 5, but it's up to you. I like to use 6 for this batch. And these are wires. You can use the heavy duty scissor or those metal scissor that you can cut the wire. And these are tapes. And for the folding of the angle, you can use nail or bobby pin, depending on how well you want to fold. And this, just in case you need it for bow tie. This is the flower bundle or flower bush that I got from Michael's, and I will be just using 6, but it has more than 6. So you can find this at Joann Fabric or Michael's. All right, and let's get started at the folding. So first, you're gonna do the folding in half, and it's up to you. If you want the white color to be outside or the green, it's up to you. So here we go. So you're gonna fold the bill in half. And you know what? Since I will be using the white outside, so I will be folding this way. So you're gonna fold half and then fold one side to and half again. So it's gonna be 3 folds here. All right, so let's do this. Keep forgetting. You don't have to be very perfect at folding this. We just want to kind of make sure so it's easier when you actually put them together. Trying to make this fold this as fast as I can. All right. All right, after you finish folding them, this is how they'll be looking. And then what I do next is I will be using the bobby pin to fold the angle. So since, like I say, since I will be facing, using the white side facing out for the outside, and then the green. So since the white is outside, I will be folding just like you see here. So what you do is you put the bobby pin here, an angle, and then you could just kind of like twist a little to the center and then stop, and then you will have a nice shape. And then you do the same thing to the other side. See that? So you do for the other side, other end of the bill as well. And this is how it looked like. And let's go on to the next. Like I say, you can use the nail to do your folding, but it's not gonna be as small. The folding's not gonna be as small. So it's gonna be like that. And then once you finish all these, you're gonna put them together, just like that. So here, let's finish this quickly. All right, and once you're done, this is how it's gonna look like after you fold all the angles. So what you do is you wanna, again, you're gonna wanna pick up the middle because it's gonna be, it's already full. So you're gonna pick it up and make sure they are lined up. And don't worry how they're gonna shape up at this point. So just make sure you hold very steady. Just like that. So like I say, it doesn't matter if one, they're not going to be at the same level, but just make sure you hold the middle part. And then you're going to grab your wire. It's about 15-inch long. And what you do is you're going to fold in half, and then you just kind of use one hand and go through just like that. I think that's somebody. Okay, so what you do is, like I say, the green is going to be in the middle part. So you're going to use the tail down here and twist it like this. All right, and hold it very tight. Okay, so once you hold very tight and twist the wire to make sure it doesn't move, this is where you're going to do the folding. So you're going to hold and try to be very gentle, otherwise you're going to rip the dollar bill. So this is how you will kind of fold up a little, so stick out. And you just kind of do that around. Again, just kind of push up a little bit. It's very crisp, new dollar bill. And again, these are $2. So just be very gentle and be very careful. Just like that. And this is the final product. Once you fold every angle or every side as much as you can to make it look more like a rose. And this is how the final products will look like. So here, you're gonna move on and use one petal or one rose at a time. So what you do is you're gonna remove, and we're gonna keep the bottom one. So we're just gonna take the flower out. We'll keep the, I'm not sure how you call these, and keep the center piece as well too. So here, smooth these out. It's kind of hard. Okay, so again, we're gonna keep these. So what you do is you're gonna use this by putting the wire through, and sometimes this might be a little too long, so we'll cut it when we actually attach to. So you know what, I'm not gonna use, I say we're gonna use this centerpiece, but we're not. I'm just gonna use the bottom. So what you do is it's gonna go through like that, and then you can just put this back and slowly go through. You don't want to poke too hard because it's gonna rip the dollar bill. So see that? Just kind of like, you know, touch, or you could just hide it, the stem in the side, and it'll be very nice, secure. And then what you do is you're gonna twist the wire around the stamp. And then again, this might be a little too long. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it. So it's gonna be like this. All right. And then make sure you securely pull and wrap the wire around the stamp. And then once you wrap the wire around the stamp, it's gonna stick out like that. And you can cut, don't cut too short, but just cut a little excess of wire out. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna use the tape to here. And these are one side is a little sticky, so this is where the adhesive is. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna start wrapping around to hide the metal to make it look very nice. And just twist, pull and hold at the same time so that it will stick very nice. Just have to be a little patient here. It can be very twisted. And then just hide it very well. And just kind of wrap it one more time around it like that. All right, there you go. And this is how you do it. I call these Lucky Charm flower. And you can use this for gift, weddings, birthday, anything. All right. All right, so this is the finished petal or finished stem. And you're just gonna repeat the same process for the rest of the flower. So I hope you enjoy, and please subscribe below for the next video. Thank you.